Module 6, Lesson 21. In this lesson, we will review the value of a penny, nickel, and dime. We will learn about the quarter. What is the name and value of each of these coins? This coin is a penny. It has a value of 1 cent. This coin is a nickel. It has a value of 5 cents. This coin is a dime. It has a value of 10 cents. We have a new coin to learn about. The coin is called a quarter. Let's all say quarter. Some quarters have different images on the back. Many have eagles on them, but others have different pictures and names of the states on them. But no matter what, a quarter has a value of 25 cents. How many pennies would we need to make 25 cents? Let's think about that. A penny is worth 1 cent, and we're trying to make 25 cents. So how many pennies would we need to make 25 cents? We need 25 pennies to make 25 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 pennies make 25 cents. How many nickels would we need to make 25 cents? We need 5 nickels to make 25 cents. Remember, a nickel is worth 5 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it would take 5 nickels to make the same amount as 1 quarter, which is 25 cents. How can we make 25 cents with dimes and nickels? We can make 25 cents with 1 dime and 3 nickels, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 1 dime and 3 nickels equals the same amount as 25 cents. We can make 25 cents with 2 dimes and 1 nickel, 10, 20, 25. How can we make 25 cents with dimes, nickels, and pennies? We can make 25 cents with 1 dime, 2 nickels, and 5 pennies. Watch as I count. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 1 dime, 2 nickels, and 5 pennies equals 25 cents, which is the same amount as 1 quarter. We can make 25 cents with 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 10 pennies. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 10 pennies also makes 25 cents. In this lesson, we learned about the quarter, and we also used other coins to equal the value of a quarter. Remember, this coin is a penny, and it has a value of 1 cent. This coin is a nickel, and it has a value of 5 cents. This coin is a dime. It has a value of 10 cents. This coin is a quarter. It has a value of 25 cents.